Hello, my name is Gajendra Mohan and I'm here to talk about Phantom Solution. First of all, thank you for nominating us in this category. We are happy and proud to present to you the solution which is designed and developed in India. Now, what Phantom Solution is, it is built as an AIoT solution. It means that it combines the power of artificial intelligence and IoT to deliver meaningful solutions to the business. Now, this solution is a sustainable asset monitoring solution. What it does is helps you with the energy monitoring as well as managing the productivity of assets. How does it do it? Now, this solution consists of this device. Then there is artificial intelligence working on this device, which analyzes the energy signature captured by the device. You can imagine this solution implemented at your machine, at any facility in retail and commercial space. It analyzes the energy signature by the help of artificial intelligence, sends the information on the cloud where the user is able to access this data anytime, anywhere. Now, because it eliminates the need for changing the infrastructure for installation, changing the requirement of having an infrastructure to set up this entire digital experience, it becomes a simple plug and play solution if you are looking for real time monitoring. We have already implemented this solution in hundreds of spaces and in hundreds of machines. The two major use cases that we are trying to drive with this solution is on real-time energy monitoring for your retail, commercial and residential spaces, and for real-time monitoring of machines in industrial manufacturing space. Now, being built as an AIoT platform, the solution aims to combine the power of sensor, software and services. There are two use cases that we are trying to drive predominantly as of now today with this solution. One is in the space of energy monitoring for retail, commercial and residential space, and second is in case of machine monitoring for industrial manufacturing SMEs. So, the first one, when we are talking about real-time energy monitoring, what it aims to achieve is do much more than what a meter or a sub-meter can do. Now, in case of real-time energy monitoring, what it does is provide end-to-end transparency, both from the supply side as well as the load side. Now, sitting at the point where a meter or sub-meter does, it can tell with granularity how the load side appliances are connected, how they are consuming energy. Now, imagine instead of getting a total bill that a retail or a commercial owner today gets, if you can get an understanding on how your appliances are consuming energy, this information is far more powerful in enabling action. Coming to the second point on real-time monitoring of machine. Now, imagine your machines today are predominantly consisting of a lot of electrical components. Gain that energy or use that energy in order to perform certain operation. It acts as a smart watch for the machine. You can keep this at the point where machine is supplied with energy, and this monitors the entire performance of machine, gives information on availability, performance as well as the part count, which leads to the overall equipment utilization. Now, having this information comes very handy for SMEs if they want to optimize on the productivity standpoint. So, with the two use cases and the example that I gave, what we are trying to solve is sustainability and productivity, and both of this is high on agenda if we were to achieve our sustainable goals and become the country that we want to become. Now, this product fits in to solve the problem of productivity and sustainability. This product designed in India for global markets. Look forward to the questions that you have to understand more on the product.